Good day and welcome to sales. Here's a 2002 GMC and we are showing it in operation here. We're going to take it all the way up and show you the speed of the boom here. Thanks again for watching our video here. You can visit our website at www.99trucks.com. That's the 2 number 9s, 99, and the word trucks, trucks.com. Again, this can operate off the Kubota motor or off of the regular engine. It's a full over center, so that will go on over. In both directions, the top boom. Here we're straight up or now we're over center just a bit. Again, give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. That's 260-760-5052. This has the 8.1 liter gas engine. The pony motor and the gas motor both operate off the same tank, so you just fill the truck up in one tank and the pony motor draws right off of that tank. You can visit our website at www.99trucks.com. This one is an excellent value for the money. The newer style boom, pony motor works good, truck works good, and it's got all chain driven versus the cables.